of tonight's long chat. Long chat.
This is the inaugural.
Oh, inaugural podcast.
It sounds fancy, right? Inaugural.
Yes.
Inaugural podcast.
I'm not fancy, but
But at least we can use fancy terminology.
yeah. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me. Hopefully, it was semi-interesting or interesting to some of you. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it here if I anger so many of you guys that you guys start, you start getting back at me. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Again, like, I'm not a stranger to angering my audience because I do this every few years. I tend to change the subject. I tend to change how I do things because I can never stay in one place and do things the same way ever. I'm always trying new things. That is why you like me, essentially. You might not know that, but trust me, this is the reason why you like me and you're watching the stuff that I put out, right? It's because I'm trying new things. And I know might seem weird to just, support something new that you don't know where it's going. But for me, it just feels the same all the time. I'm just like, I'm going to piss off a bunch of people. Okay, well, it's the same thing as last time, So anyways, I want to thank you for joining me. If you're watching this, I want to thank you for watching this. This is a new thing that I'm trying out. I promise I will try to get better at it if I'm not super good at it yet. But, practice makes perfect, right?
And he'll promise to try to get better guests.
Better guests.
Than me.
No, you